Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this fun little sign just in time for Christmas. Make it for yourself or as a gift. For this project, you'll just need a picture frame and some vinyl. I'll just cut out a piece of vinyl a bit larger than my design. The vinyl I'm using today is permanent vinyl in red. I'll stick it down to a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. The writing on this design isn't too thin, so I can weed like normal, and just use my weeder tool to stick down any letters that are trying to lift. If you have a design where you're having problems weeding skinny letters, try reverse weeding instead. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Take a piece of transfer tape, a bit larger than the design, and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Now I can place the design into position. And I'll just use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down really well. Now I can carefully pull off the transfer tape. This sign is done and ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.